Hi guys, back again with Ethel Chamomile. Right, so this is the third Unity tutorial, and this tutorial I will show you how to prevent this and this. Alright, so the easiest way I can think of to prevent those is using colliders. To make that, first of all, I will create an empty object and call it environment. Preset the position to 0. You don't have to do this actually, but just to keep things in order. And then I will make another one and call it borders. And finally, one more. I'll call it top. Add a component. Choose box collider. Now, just as rigid body, you can see there are two types. The normal box collider and 2D. We are going to use the 2D one. As you can see here, now there's the green box over here. That is the collider. I want to put this collider on top, so I'll put this here. Just right there. And to scale the collider, we can click this button, and now we have 4 dots over here, and just click this one and hold Alt and drag it over here. There you go. You can also change that using the scale over here, but I really recommend to keep the scale of every object to 1, 1, 1. I think it has something to do with memory or something. Alright, also here you can also change that using the size here. Just to make it nicer to look at, I'll put it at 40 and put this or maybe 9.5. There you have it. We have the top collider. Now what the collider does, it collides. However, look at this. We have the top collider, right? But the dragon will still go through it. Why? Because the dragon doesn't have any collider yet. As you can see here, it has no green box. We can fix that by making colliders, of course. I'll make another one and call it body. And I'll give it another box collider. As you can see, the dragon now has this box. I'll just make it maybe 3 by 3. Yep, that's good enough. Now, let's save the scene first. If I were to do this, as you can see, it collides with the top collider and stops there, but it can still go down here. To fix that, you can... Alright, almost forgot. So, we have the top collider here, right? You can of course just make a new game object, name it bottom, and give it another box collider. That takes too long. what we can do is we can just multiply it, duplicate it, I mean. So, select the top, select the top collider and press Ctrl D. That will duplicate it. We now have another game object called top 1. I will rename that to bottom and just drag it down. Make this minus 9.5. There you go. You may be wondering that the top collider is gone. That is because we are currently focusing on the bottom collider. So we can only see the collider of the bottom of game object. But if we click here, we can see the top. And if we click the select the parents, you can see both. Alright, now let's test it up. As you can see, the dragon doesn't fall off anymore. And it can fly up here, but that's it. Wow, it's only been 6 minutes. Oh no. Sorry. And there you have it. We have prevented the dragon from going off screen. Now, in the next video, I'm gonna show you how to make the dragon actually move forward, or more like make the background move backward, so it looks like the dragon moves forward. It hasn't been 12 minutes, but I think it's a good time to end this video anyway. So thank you so much for watching. That's it for this episode. Like and subscribe if you like the video, and see you next time. Bye bye.